Do you know that you can create your own AI directly on WhatsApp? And the most interesting part is you can customize your AI on what exactly you want it to do. And you can also customize it with any name you want, and it is totally free. This is Great Filippo, and if this happens to be your first time here, please hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Now let's get started. Okay, so open your WhatsApp. And when it opens, you're going to click on the plus sign over here to start a new chat. Then you're going to click on chat with AIs. Okay, so when this side opens, you're going to click on the plus sign below here. Then you're going to describe your AI. Let's say our AI is a tech enthusiast, so tech enthusiast. Then you click on next. Then you're going to choose what describe your AI's personality. So let's say he's a helper, a teacher, and a coach. Then what are some of your AI's personality traits? Confident, direct, sassy. You can also click on the plus sign over here to add your own. Once you are done, just click on next again. Then just give it some time to load. So what does your AI looks like? So let's assume your AI looks like this. If you don't want the picture here, you can click on this icon here to customize it. So once you are done customizing it, click on next again. So what's your AI name? Let's say Tech Guru. Once you are done giving your AI a name, click on next. Okay, so this side is asking of the scene of your AI when you first meet them. So you can choose the options here. You can better still type it here. So you click here. Then once you are done typing it, click on next. Okay, so here is everything about your AI. You can also click on advanced settings to customize your AI over here. Once you are done customizing it, click on create and give it some time to load. If you haven't subscribed, please use this opportunity to subscribe, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Okay, now your AI is ready to be used. Let's ask the AI some questions. So how do I go viral on YouTube? Then you send. And you can see that it is very fast and also precise and accurate. Before you leave, if you need a website for your school, for your business, or for yourself, send message to the email below. It is very affordable, so just send a mail. Distance is not a barrier. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to like this video as well. Until we meet again,